let's talk about how I made my first spec commercial. Hi, I'm Harley J. Hey, it's me, Harley J. And I just want to start off this video a little differently by just saying, if you if you're just new to me, I'm Harley J. I'm a kid, I'm a filmmaker. But yeah, make sure to subscribe to me and like this video, and turn on notifications. Yeah, gotta do that, because then that helps me. And make sure you guys learn more about filmmaking. Post a new video about filmmaking, well, you get a notification. So make sure to subscribe, like this video, and hit the notification bell so you get notifications. So let's jump right into the video. Okay, so first of all, let me just say, if you haven't seen my spec commercial, do not watch. Well, go watch that, then come back and watch this. See? Okay, so that's simple. But okay, so watch the spec commercial, and yeah, I'm gonna break down a little bit of how I shot it. So I actually all I used was my phone and my gimbal. I don't know what my phone is, but I used this gimbal, my phone, and the object I was shooting. And that object was, well, my, wow, I forgot the name of what I was shooting. Okay, well, I shot it, and it was pretty simple. It was really simple, just shooting it with my gimbal, and doing cool movements, and then I brought it into Final Cut Pro X and edited it, and it was actually quite fun because I was able to do that, and I might even make some money off of it if like a Samsung or a different company sees that ad. They might want me to make an ad for them, or another company might want me to make an ad for them. So, and they might pay me. So, yeah, that's a way to make money, and it's a way to have fun. So yeah, remember, if you like this video, make sure to hit the big like button, and then also subscribe and turn on notifications. And yeah, peace out.